Welcome to our countdown of the 5 biggest tsunami waves ever recorded. Across the globe, from the sun-drenched shores of tropical islands to the icy plains of the Arctic, the Earth is in a constant state of flux. While we often marvel at the beauty of nature, there are times when its raw power can be truly awe-inspiring. These natural disasters have left a significant mark on history, and today we'll take a closer look at the most powerful ones. From the depths of the ocean, a force can emerge, a wave of such immense power that it can reshape coastlines and leave behind a trail of unimaginable destruction. These are tsunamis, a force of nature that reminds us of the awesome and at times terrifying power of the planet we call home. On the 26th of December 2004, the world watched in horror as a tsunami, triggered by an earthquake of unprecedented magnitude, ripped across the Indian Ocean. The earthquake, the third largest ever recorded, struck off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia, unleashing a chain of waves that would leave an indelible mark on history. The tsunami, radiating outwards from its epicenter, traveled at incredible speeds, devastating coastal communities in 14 countries. From the shores of Indonesia to the east coast of Africa, the waves, some reaching heights of over 100 feet, crashed inland, swallowing entire villages and towns. The sheer scale of the devastation was difficult to comprehend. Over 230,000 people lost their lives, making it one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. The world mourned, and the event served as a stark reminder of the immense power of nature. On the 11th of March 2011, the world watched in disbelief as a massive earthquake, the most powerful ever recorded to hit Japan, struck off the coast of Honshu. The earthquake, registering a magnitude 9.0, unleashed a wave of destruction that would forever alter the landscape and psyche of Japan. The earthquake triggered a tsunami that slammed into Japan's northeastern coast, engulfing entire towns and cities in its wake. The waves, some exceeding 130 feet in height, breached seawalls, surged miles inland, and swept away everything in their path. Cars, houses, and even buildings were tossed about like toys, highlighting the sheer force of nature's fury. The tsunami crippled the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, leading to a nuclear meltdown that further compounded the disaster. The world watched in horror as the events unfolded, a stark reminder of the destructive power of nature and the potential consequences of our reliance on technology in the face of such overwhelming forces. Chapter 3. A City Consumed. The 1755 Lisbon Tsunami. On the 1st of November 1755, a cataclysmic earthquake, estimated to be around 8.5 to 9.0 in magnitude, struck off the coast of Portugal. The earthquake, which was felt across Europe and North Africa, unleashed a series of devastating tsunamis that would forever change the course of history. The waves, some reaching heights of over 100 feet, slammed into the Portuguese capital of Lisbon, reducing much of the city to rubble. The tsunami struck on All Saints' Day, a major religious holiday when churches were filled with worshippers, further amplifying the tragedy. Fires, ignited by overturned candles and collapsed buildings, raged through the city, adding to the devastation. The Lisbon earthquake and tsunami had a profound impact on Europe, not only causing widespread destruction but also shaking the religious and philosophical foundations of the time. The event challenged the prevailing belief in a benevolent God and sparked intense debate about the nature of the world and humanity's place in it. Chapter 4. When the Earth Erupted, the 1883 Krakatoa Tsunami. In 1883, the world bore witness to one of the most cataclysmic volcanic eruptions in recorded history, the eruption of Krakatoa. This small volcanic island located between Java and Sumatra in Indonesia erupted with such unimaginable force that it unleashed a series of tsunamis that would be felt around the globe. The eruption of Krakatoa released energy equivalent to thousands of atomic bombs, sending shockwaves that circled the globe multiple times. The sound of the eruption was heard thousands of miles away, and the ash cloud it generated rose miles into the atmosphere, impacting global weather patterns for years to come. The tsunamis generated by the Krakatoa eruption were nothing short of monstrous. Waves exceeding 100 feet in height slammed into coastlines across the Indian Ocean, obliterating entire towns and villages. The waves traveled vast distances, reaching as far as South America and even causing fluctuations in sea levels in the English Channel. Chapter 5. The wave nobody saw coming, the 1958 Lituya Bay Tsunami. Nestled amidst the rugged wilderness of southeast Alaska lies Lituya Bay, a seemingly tranquil fjord surrounded by towering mountains. On July 9, 1958, this remote corner of the world became the stage for an extraordinary event, the largest tsunami wave ever recorded. It wasn't a seismic shift in the Earth's crust that triggered this monstrous wave, but a colossal landslide. An earthquake registering a magnitude 7.8 shook the region, causing over 40 million cubic yards of rock and ice to break free from the cliffs above Lituya Bay. This massive landslide plunged into the narrow confines of the bay, creating a wave of unimaginable proportions. The wave, estimated to have reached an astonishing 1,720 feet in height, surged upward, stripping vegetation from the surrounding mountainsides and leaving a permanent scar on the landscape. Ultra respect the power. Thank you for joining us on this journey through some of the most powerful and devastating tsunamis in history. These events, while awe-inspiring in their power, serve as stark reminders of the raw forces that shape our planet and the importance of respecting nature's might. While we continue to develop our understanding of tsunamis and improve early warning systems, these events underscore the importance of preparedness and the need to respect the awesome power of the natural world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay safe and stay informed.